Hey everyone, today we're gonna delve into my favorite technical analysis patterns and make sure they actually work. And while I'm looking for new trade opportunities, subscribe to my Telegram channel and trade with my accurate and free signals. Guys, so welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be trading using technical analysis basis with the entirety of its simplest fundamental tools such as levels of support and resistance. I believe everyone should know how to use and how to work with these, unsophisticated tools, because so in this video we're going to try to make multiple successful trades and take a look into trading as it is and of itself. So let's start. Let's place our first trade right here and I will get to analysis right away. I'm sure the video will turn out truly fascinating. We'll try to make a decent amount of deals and prove them in terms of technical analysis. So let's highlight the horizontal level that has recently been updated. By the way, perhaps that's just a false update. That might have easily been some kind of a, misleading breakout. However, it's still possible for the price to actually further break it out. So what are these levels based on? If we recall geometry class or something along the lines of it, we remember that any line, whether that be a trend line or any one actually of any other kind, any line can be drawn through any 2 points. Same thing applies to horizontal levels. We want to find 2 points, those going to be reversing points in our case, and basically draw a line through said points. This way we get a level. The price is barely fluctuating, literally just staying still right now. Let's place a couple of extra trades and I'm gonna show you what all of this looks like more visually. Look, here's our first reversing point, the end of this shadow right here. And this reversing point, see, both the candle body and the shadow may be considered to be a reversing point. So what's a reversing point per se? Look, the chart was moving downwards, but it stopped right here and reversed. Thereby, all of this can be highlighted. And then there's another reversal right here, a tiny one. There was some kind of a reaction going on. We can thereby tell there's some, important level involved. So we're placing a line through the 2 points. Or an area, it doesn't necessarily have to be a line. That's the area we're going to be trading today at. So whenever the market reaches this area, once again, we can conclude the area is indeed important for the chart and the price might potentially reverse at it. However, we might as well stumble upon cases like this one, when the market kind of overcomes the level. That's when we want to seek the next potentially reversing area. I'm personally not afraid of 2 losses we just had. That's totally normal because levels may occasionally get broken. And see, we're drawing right now a new level and we will be waiting for the market to reach it. What can we see here? Again, marking the reversing points, looking for a reversing area. Here's the first point, the second one, we can draw a line through these 2, and we can also see the area has been confirmed multiple times. The price consistently reacts to it. Locating our horizontal line, and here's what we got. We're waiting for the market to approach this area right here, and as soon as the price touches the area for the first time, we will try and capture a rollback. So the first deal didn't succeed, the second one didn't either. We're increasing the deal's amount up to $400 in order to cover for the entire loss and waiting for the price to either come back to this area or start heading towards this one. Yep, the trade is placed. This area is currently playing the role of resistance this time since it has been already broken through, waiting for the result. So we've got the first reaction, although not as dramatic. We got a net profit of $368. However, we did lose 3 $100 deals before. Basically, the deal set as a whole got us around $68 in net. Switching back to the initial sum, now we're gonna observe the overall situation like what's going on in general. Perhaps the price isn't intended to approach this area, it might have been just a large breakout or some other unidentified motion. But yeah, we will mostly rely on levels in terms of our trading process. So now we're entering solely relying on the horizontal level. Let's make it a bit thicker. Everything's pretty simple here. We found two primary reversal points around this area, drew a line through them, and basically that's it. That's how we visually got an area of high interest we can trade at. So we've already witnessed the reaction to this area. This red candle is forming. A couple of seconds are left till we get our profit and can start looking for next cases. This is how I do it. I switch between currencies and enable notifications for the areas we might be interested in. Let's view it on a visual example and open a currency pair with any obviously present horizontal level. Let's see what we got. Even this one, for instance, we can just do this and turn a notification on by clicking on this bell icon. Now we don't necessarily have to keep an eye on this asset. As soon as the market reaches or crosses this level, we will get a notification, open this currency pair real quick and place a trade. That's exactly what I do with every asset I find appealing. Let's try and place a downward trade here. Everything's just as simple. I saw this important area buyers and sellers are highly interested in, so the price is very likely to react to this area. Let's see. So amazing, we got the reaction and earned another $92. Let's look for some areas of high interest, place a few more trades and wrap it up. So let's make another deal here. I think I might be on something here. Once again, getting our tools to make things more visually comprehensive and highlighting the high interest area right here. Such a popular area, speaking of, the price reacted to it so many times, guys. However, the charts could also easily break out of it. There's a high chance we'll get to see some kind of a reaction here though, so we're placing a trade. So I think we can tell what's going next. At this point, I placed 2 extra deals to cover this failed one. When I placed it, I had no idea it would succeed, but I just, decided to play it safe. And we get $168 of net profit. Isn't it wonderful? And the last trade for today, there's something about it that looks like a nice horizontal level. I've just found it. I really like these 2 reactions right here. We might see another similar one now. Here was the first reaction, the second one. Chances are the third one is already coming. We got a notification as you can see, but I suggest we wait for this trade to close. So guys, the chart left this beautiful candle shadow just like these ones right here. We managed to earn quite decently today, especially since the sums we were working with were relatively small. If you want to automatically copy my deals without signals, go to my Telegram channel via the link in the description below this video, to find out more. And text me, I will send everything. I will join you to my account. Thanks for watching this video. Bye, see ya.